What's the most dangerous job in the world, you think? Firefighter. Nah. Coal miner. Close. But no. Let me tell you about a job that sounds innocent, but might just get you chased off a cliff by thousands of angry flying insects. Yes, I'm talking about the ancient, highly respected, incredibly painful profession of wild honey hunting. That's right, some folks voluntarily climb giant trees and cliff edges, armed with smoke and courage, just to steal honey from a bunch of bees who really don't want to share. A honey hunting trip is like a real-life action movie. The gear, super high-tech. A basket, a knife, some dry sticks, and a homemade mask that looks like it was made from leftover mosquito net and hope. The plan? Smoke and out. The backup plan? Run. Because if the wind suddenly changes direction, the hunter becomes the hunted. Today, we, along with professional beekeepers, are hunting a giant ground bee nest. You will have to be afraid because now you are facing thousands of fierce winged guards, ready to charge at you as if this were the final battle of Beetopia. Think one bee sting hurts, try 50 at once. Experienced honey hunters say, if you get stung once, it hurts. If you get stung a lot, you just go numb. Rookies have been known to drop everything and run, leaving behind tools, dignity, and sometimes their pants. One guy got stung so bad, his own family didn't recognize him. They thought he got a bad facelift. So why do they keep doing that? Why risk their lives? For money. They need money to make ends meet. Here, poor farmers, when they lack money or food, will go into the forest to hunt anything that can fill their stomachs, regardless of how dangerous the job may be. Bee hunting isn't just a job, it's a wild legacy. Every trip into the forest is a new chapter. Smoke, climbing, bee attacks, victory, or sometimes retreat. And a lot of laughs afterward once the swelling goes down. Thousands of bees are attacking him. Imagine what would happen if he weren't wearing protective gear. This beehive weighs up to 8 kilograms. It's wonderful that if he sells this, he will have a small amount of money to support his living. And of course, he should keep a little of the harvest to eat, right? Ha ha ha.
Bê được không? Tiến không?
Let's bring the spoils back home.
Ôi, có tiến lợi phẩm rồi các bác ơi. Anh Hà xuống thôi. An toàn. Anh Hà xuống đi nhá, đừng dưới ông nhiều nhá. lấy không? Có lấy không này?
If you think bee hunting is wild, smash that like to support the brave climbers. Subscribe to discover even more jobs that make you say, "Nope, I'll stay in the office, thanks." And remember, if you ever try this, wear Crocs. They don't slip when you're running for your life.
7-8 cân. Ô, đang đẹp nhỉ. Ô, đang trắng lên. Đã phết nhỉ. Tháo tầng trên đang còn mà. Hôm nay to nên là chắc là anh em hôm nay sẽ để bán các bác ạ.